Hello everyone, welcome back. So this video is part 2 of the Epic Sunset Palette from Essence. Let's begin. So I have already done my brows using the Eyeliner Pomade in Mid Brown. You can find this at any discount pharmacy. By now you should know that this concealer is amazing. My transition shade will be this light plum color, and I will blend this into the crease area of my eye. To add depth, I'll use this dark brown and apply this just below the light plum color that I've applied earlier. I will create a cut crease using the same concealer. Back to the palette, I will use this beautiful turquoise color and apply this to my eyelid. I will use this light shade in the corner of my eyes to make this mermaid look come alive. It's so funny the faces we pull when we apply makeup. So now I use the same dark color and apply this to the bottom lashes. This eyeliner is so easy to apply because it has a long felt tip, and I always try to draw a thin line as close to my natural lash line as possible. This look is not complete without the Beauty lashes. Remember to apply your primer. This one is from Catrice. Also from Catrice is this beautiful glow palette. I don't want my lip to draw too much attention, so I'll use this lip gloss from Catrice. So this is the end of my second look. Please stay tuned for my third look coming up using this Epic Sunset Palette from Essence. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, mwah!